Come everybody, as I'm creating these 4-foot Barbie prop pieces for a client. She actually wanted me to create them, print them, paste them on the boards, and actually deliver them to her. So this is my first time doing this. But usually I just send it to you guys email, but this is what I'm doing this time. So remember the whole step of how I showed you guys how to do this. I even just told you now, free game, is that I actually enlarged the pictures on camera first. Then I put it on Adobe, print them all out, lay them out. I have to see what they look like. They have guides on them. So I lay all my images out, making sure that each picture lays out correctly so I know how to tape everything down. So from here is the taping portion. I tape each individual pieces of paper together. I normally cut it to size so I know that it's actually sitting, each image of the paper is sitting on top of each other. All of my tape is on the back this time. I'm not putting any tape on the front of the image like I've done some of the others in the past. So this is what it looks like together, and this is what it looks like after I cut and trimmed all the pieces. The client's goal is to sit these on a table, her treat table that she's creating for her clients. She's an event planner herself and a treat maker. So from here, you're just gonna add a generous amount of glue on your foam board. And I did this all at one shot. And just smooth it out. Smooth it out all the way around. From there is the trimming portion. You're trimming all the excess boards off. Keep some of the pieces of the foam board because you're going to use that as your base. It's recycling, people. You know, you have to reuse things. Forgive my kitchen. As you can see, we are redesigning that. More videos on that coming soon. But from this step is when I'm measuring all my prop pieces for the back. Very important of how you measure your pieces and making sure you have a generous amount of hot glue because you want your pieces to stand up. Always keeping something in support of these big frames in the front so they don't fall over while you get your back together. Simple and easy. Hot glue it, press it down, press real good, lay it down if you have to. This is what it looks like when they all sitting up alone by themselves. She's going to redesign them herself, and this is what she did to them once I delivered them to her. She propped it up for her client's party. Love to see it. I even love the upgrades of the bling to it. So nice. Keep following me, keep following all my work, everything that you've seen me doing and completing. Emailing me, my link is in my bio. Subscribe to us, like us. Peace.